good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything from wherever you are. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting, and thank you for being here once more. On the last detailing video, I requested you to give me work. Many of you have reached out. And today, one of my loyal subscribers has come through. He has brought a very sleek ride for us to polish and wax. The mighty Volvo V60. If you come close, you can see what appears to be contact paint from a different car. I'm assuming this is in the parking lot when someone else is trying to get into a tight space. If you look close, you can see some scratches, swirls on the paint job, things like this. You can see here, these I assume are claw marks from a pet. We are going to be getting rid of that. And if you look close, you can see some minor swirls. I'm going to be polishing and waxing this car. By the time we are done, it's going to be shiny and perfect. As it is our norm, we are using quality shampoo, Gladiator wash and wax shampoo. The car is too hot. The best practice is to always start washing the car from the top. I'm using a microfiber cloth. This is to prevent any scratching. Our favorite part of the game. Battery in. These are so much fun. The hose pipe. I'm going straight to buffing and polishing the car. It's just going to be a one-stage process. The paint is in relatively good condition. Today I'm just going to be using this Power Ego rubbing compound, which is a bit easier to work with. We are going to test it out on this patch. Dab it in. Then so I'm just done buffing the car, but clearly, as you can see, if you look at me, I am too dirty. My shoes are white and they're supposed to be black. I'm just going to give the car a final wash with the shampoo, then rinse it off, then wax it. Nothing comes easy. You must work for every nice thing, every good thing that you expect in life. You might see some nice videos on this channel. Those are just snippets of the real work. The real work takes somewhere about 2 to 3 hours. But at the end of the day, you enjoy a polished car, a shiny car, and you get to enjoy a wonderful video. So that's a final rinse. Back-breaking work. Now we are on the home stretch, giving the car the final rinse with the the fun part about it. Now the rinse is done. Now I'm just going to dry the car and apply the wax. Drying the car is straightforward. I find that dampening the cloth makes it a bit easier to absorb the water. Now we are moving on to the final and fun part, Canube wax, to protect the work we have just done and to make the car shine. So just apply it, then we are going to buff it off. Make sure you get every spot. Don't miss anything. So turn the cloth frequently to make sure you are not picking up too much product. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. It's getting really dark. I did not heed to my previous advice of starting early.